Hello, fabulous fourth graders. Welcome back to All Block. Do you remember a few days ago when I read to you the poem Spaghetti by Shel Silverstein? And we noticed it was 2 stanzas and there were some rhyming words. And then I wrote my own story version in prose, Spaghetti by Jessica Mize-Wilson. And I wrote 3 paragraphs written in sentences. Well, today you're going to read your own poem here and write your own prose version. This poem is by the poet Jack Perlutsky. The title is Hard-Boiled Bugs for Breakfast. Let's read it together. Touch the text. Hard-boiled bugs for breakfast. Hard-boiled bugs for lunch. Hard-boiled bugs at supper time. Crunchy, crunchy, crunch. Hard-boiled bugs are tastier than spiders, flies, or slugs. There's not a doubt about it. I love those hard-boiled bugs. Now that we've read the poem, in your journal, I want you to write your own story, your own prose that match this poem. Remember, there are 2 stanzas. So your story might need more than 1 paragraph to explain what's happening in the beginning, middle, and end of this poem. Good luck, poets.